Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Biore Daily Baking Soda Liquid Cleanser for Combination Skin 6.77 ounce. Packaging may vary. 5 ounces 1 Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strip for Nose. This is a baking soda cleansing scrub with a sample of the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strip. It's a fine powder and is activated with water, maintaining a bit of grit so that the surface of your skin and your pores are clean as a whistle. In fact, once you pour out the little quarter-size amount into your hand, it is pure powder and feels very weird. However, once you add water, it foams up and creates this mild abrasive that smells wonderful that you apply to your skin to gently clean it. Everyone says to drink water but that it ain't cheap water. Doesn't work for me, haha, but this works really good. It clears up my skin overnight. You wet your nose and then leave it on for about 15 minutes while it dries and forms hard seal against your nose. Please be advised that this product has been discontinued by Biore and replaced with Biore Blue Agave and Baking Soda Pore Cleanser. Pores, those look great, but he has had to switch back to his acne cleanser and rotates this into his routine every other week to help with his nose where pores are the worst. Not only does it help with reducing the need of pore strips every week, but it also exfoliates my skin without pain or leaving it feeling dry afterwards. The only strange thing that you should be aware of is that the bottle itself says it was made in Canada, but there is a little gold sticker on it that says made in China. With so many different types of facial cleansers on the market, it's important to make sure you are buying what's right for your skin. This baking powder cleanser is soft, provides a good amount of light abrasive without scratching, removes oil from the face and completely dissolves and wipes away cleanly. My blackheads are a bit more prominent than most people get, but it has helped decrease the amount and is a good additional facial cleanser. The dispenser hole is kind of big, and when you tip the bottle over to pour much more powder than you want may pour out. It's gentle enough to not agitate my skin, and yet it really does a good job of removing all my face makeup. It does a good job of lifting off any dead skin cells without leaving my face looking flaky and dried out. It does well as a scrub and oil relief while not stripping off all the oil and over drying my skin. The texture of the skin on my face all over has improved too, especially my chin, which has clogged pores, not open ones. It's not as gritty as most exfoliating scrubs and gentler than chemical exfoliants, so it's a nice option if you want something gentle. It reminds me a lot of a more cost-effective version of Nude Skincare's Detox Gentle Brightening Fizzy Powder Wash. There are so many products on the market that have some kind of exfoliating effect that it can be very easy to overdo it if you're not careful. The best thing about this product is that it's a powder and you can make it the texture you want, from a scrub to a gentle cleaner. It may pass for a combination skin in the hot summer months, but when the weather sort of cools down, it goes back to being dry or very dry skin. The only thing is it has that weird squeaky clean feeling, and if there's excess on your hands you can feel it until you somehow dilute it down with more oil grease. This pore cleanser by Biore Acute leaves your skin feeling super clean and soft. The baking soda gives you a nice exfoliation without being too harsh. Although it's described as a scrub, the powder dissolves very readily, so there's only a limited amount of scrubbing. The one issue was that there was no seal on the packaging, so if something hit the button it would have been all over the box. Love, 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 love. So amazing for my skin, and it balances out the pH in my skin, and my skin is so much clearer now. One of my favorite natural exfoliators is to put baking soda into my face cleaner, but this has it built right and it makes your skin feel extremely smooth after, and it has a very pleasant smell. This might not have that much baking soda as if you added yourself in the glass with water mixture, but it sure cleans very nicely and smells good. The cleanser is baking soda basically that you pour out of the bottle and add a few drops of water to. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.